Whether you work in a business hotel or a resort, you need to know about the local places of interest to your guest. That is because the guests will ask the hotel employees for information that they need. If you have a dedicated concierge department, you can guide the guest to them. But in most hotels, the concierge role has been eliminated with the front desk performing the dual role. So it makes sense to learn about your city and be prepared. The questions they ask will be different from city to city and hotel to hotel. Let us look at some common items that guests may ask you. This applies to all hotels irrespective of the location and type of guest. Most guests will want to know where is the nearest ATM or bank so that they can change their traveler's check. The next common question is where is the nearest pharmacy, followed by which restaurant you recommend. You must also know the distance from the hotel to various landmarks. If you know these 4 questions, half of your guest questions can be solved. Now for the remaining, if you are a business hotel, then you need to know about the office locations, the time taken to reach the airport and any interesting events that are happening in the town. If you work in a resort, you need to know much more about the local area. It will be useful to know about the history and significance of attractions or connect guests with local guides. To get information about local areas, ask your supervisor or manager. Most probably your hotel will have the information. Take a copy of that and ensure that the information in the document is accurate. If your hotel does not have a document, make one for yourself so that you can answer the question guests may have. You may need to do some search online to find out the required details, but it is a one-time activity. Once you have the list ready, you can even share it with your colleagues so that together your guest can get the answers about the local area that they are looking for. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you wish to learn more, visit our website, hoteltutor.com and keep learning. On the website, you can find more tutorials and in-depth courses about all operations department in the hotel. So do visit hoteltutor.com and keep learning.